In front of me is Google Pixel 7, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Google device. Firstly, you need to access Play Store and tap on the search bar right away. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, Flare2, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, choose Open. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!